Hello everybody and welcome to week 4. This week we're going to be writing a paper on solving personal problems and applying the 5-step model. It's worth 12 points this week and our author is Chaffee. The textbook is Thinking Critically and we'll be working out of chapter 3. In step 1 of this written assignment, you are asked to briefly explain the 5-step model using no more than 10 or so words because you don't want to go over 50 words for these 5 steps. Page 105 of chapter 3 discusses each of them. What is the problem? What are the alternatives? What are the advantages and disadvantages of each alternative? What is the solution? And how well is the solution working? Just give a brief explanation of what each of those entails. In step 2, you're going to utilize this tool by selecting a personal problem from your life. Please don't discuss intimate relationship problems, such as problems with a wife, problems with a boyfriend. Those are not appropriate for this class. You will choose a personal problem. You'll address each step with detail of at least 50 words per step, summarizing the information of the 5 steps in no more than 250 words. So, what is the problem? Explain that in 50 words. And then go on to step 2. What alternatives are there for solving this problem? Explain that in 50 words. In step 3, give the pros and cons, or the advantages and disadvantages of each of the alternative choices from step 2. In step 4, which alternative did you choose and tell me why? Clearly describe which of the choices will work the best for you. And then in step 5, either address how well the solution is working, or if it's ongoing, just tell me it's ongoing, but what you expect to get out of it. And then again, you're going to submit your paper according to APA guidelines, and that's all listed here. You'll use the last name of your author and the publication date for your citations, and then you'll list that author in its entirety. You can get that from slide 1. And list that on the reference page. You will proofread your work to make sure there are no errors in there, and then submit it to this assignment tab on time to avoid the late penalty. And if you have questions, be sure to ask before the end time. Thanks, you guys. I hope you find this a useful tool to take with you in your day-to-day life.